Hi everybody, it's Jayne from Living Skies Vintage. I'm out and about again, trying to find some good bargains at the thrift stores. I think I've made a couple of good purchases so far today, but I still have a couple more stops to go, so let's keep moving and I'll show you what I got. See you in a bit. I just got here, the whole store is 50% off. Yay, except for furniture, yay! So everything's 50% off today. So let's see if we can find something interesting. In England, doesn't look too bad. Hand painted Avonware, made in England, $12, so $6. I'm not all that thrilled with it. It's the first thing I found. Let's take a look. Just seeing what we can find today. Let's see. It's like an acrylic something. Big black piggy. What is this? Is it chipped? Right? When they put things out that are so badly chipped, they should be instantly noticeable. Anyways, little knick-knack shelf. Don't see a lot here today, though I thought that reindeer up there, that reindeer fairy, he's pretty big. It's cool. And so are those nutcracker tins, actually. Not so much. Transferware in Canada. It's got a postal code on it, so it's probably from the 70s. We didn't have postal codes till at least then. Let me see if I can Google lens it. Would you? Here's a nice Viking plate. It's only $7.49 and it's electroplate over copper. Nice little tray. But I don't think so today. Another plate. And that's a teacup though. There we go. Viking plate again. Sorry, Viking plate again. I can read the inscription. You guys might not be able to read that. Little teacup. I don't know what drinking out of that would taste like. Anyways, look at that. Giraffes. So this is how dumb Value Village is. Look, $3.49. $3.49. But these are meant to go together and lock, so you can make, I believe, chocolates or other candies, see, in a 3D shape. But Value Village doesn't look at what they've got, and they price these two items separately. This should go together. Dumb.
I don't I'll stay. I don't remember this one. Oh well.
It is just a wooden stand.
First time coming through here, I didn't see this one.
knit shelf. Sometimes you can find some things in here. Not all the time. Does that look like something? Let me check. Hold on. This pisses me off. They've asking $60 for all of this train set. But look what they've done. They just throw them all in there. Willy-nilly. Like, couldn't you have put them in something else? And they're just pieces that are broken now. Dumb. Moving on. Nice single sewing machine. But I got a good one. I don't need that. Oh, that's new. What does that say? England, Samara. Oh, hold on here. Made in England. Bentley wear. It's kind of cute. I like that. Like, look at the it's all chipped on that too much. So pass. Here's another thing that drives me crazy. These are hand painted Noritake. They have priced each one separately. Like, really? And I don't think that that one's even the Noritake. And this one's obviously missing a lid. And they still want $5.99 for it. So that whole set, $9.99 for that, $6.99, $5.99, $10, $17, $23 for something that's missing a lid. The gold is worn. Value village is getting crazy. Globe, $30. I'd like to look in the wood section. Sometimes you can find some interesting things. So, jukebox. Yeah, bad shape. One day, maybe one day, I will find a glassy baby. Chipped. Well, pumpkin's chipped. And these are sweet. And you've got some rough edges, though. Italy. I'm sure it was a very pretty set. Mercury glass that is really badly damaged. It's too bad. Oh, let's keep moving on. Rows and rows and rows. Nice harsh champagne flute. Not looking for that though. Not really looking for glasses at all. Just always keep an eye on it. Lots of plushies. I just don't know enough about plushies other than get something that maybe my grandkids would like. Same thing with a lot of the toys. Unless I see something that I know is from like when my kids were young, that's about as much as I know. And right now, I don't see a lot of them. Another thing I know to look for is dinosaurs and animals and things like that. Those are not the dinosaurs that we want. We really like Jurassic Park from the 80s, which again is like my kids' toys. If I can, find them. But some of them just go on and on and on. I see a little pony there, but that's a new one. I can tell by the eyelashes and the size of it. The old ones were bigger than that. More around that size. But I think that's a new one too, yeah, because it's got eyes. Anyways, let's move on. So I scored a little bit. I managed to find some different cross-stitch and needlepoint kits. So there's this one, and this one. This is so grab-a-decor. And then they've got this one, which is actually 2 in, and I've actually got this already in a different kit. So, score. Well, bought those kits yesterday, and when I got them home, I was very disappointed, and that's just being nice. They were supposed to be kits. They were missing the cloth. There was one that was missing everything. All that they had put in the package was plastic and paper. No threads. You can't open these packages to see what's in them, and these packages were sealed, so it was them that put it in those packages to sell that way. And they were charging me like $4 or $5 for plastic and paper, where I can buy a whole kit for that price usually at the thrift store. So anyways, I'm going to go in, calm down, and see if I can nicely get my money back and talk to them about this pricing policy they have. See in a bit, and I'll let you know how it did. So here is what I got in the end from the thrift store as a replacement for those kits. I spent a little bit more money just to pick up the 2 items, but I've got a sterling silver locket here, and that does open to be a locket. And these are 2 sterling silver stud earrings. Now, it looks, now that I've got them home and can look a little closer, that there may have been some kind of a dangle here, so I might keep my eyes open and see if I can put something on there. But they are also $9.25, and there we go, $9.25, and I would say probably CZs. I have not tested them, but they're nice open back, really long post earrings. So I think I made out okay in the end. Thank you everybody for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you're new here, thanks for coming in and taking a peek. And please, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And please ring that bell and subscribe. It's free, and I'd love to see you come back. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you again soon. Bye all.